Apple's September event just turned the tech world upside down. After months of whispers and leaks, the iPhone 17 lineup is officially here, and it's not alone. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Meet the iPhone Air, the thinnest iPhone ever made, slicing in at just 5.6 millimeters with a sleek titanium frame. The iPhone 17 boasts a 6.3-inch display with ultra-thin borders and glare-reducing glass, perfect for brighter days and binge sessions. The camera got a major boost too. With the all-new center stage front camera, your selfies now adjust automatically to fit everyone in the frame, and you don't even need to rotate your phone. Dual capture lets you film with both front and rear cameras simultaneously, making TikToks and vlogs easier than ever. You can get these phones soon because pre-orders for the iPhone 17, iPhone Air, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max all start Friday, September 12th, with devices hitting shelves on September 19th. For just $799, the iPhone 17 comes in stunning new shades like lavender, mist blue, and sage, while the iPhone Air, starting at $999, floats in with space black, sky blue, and light gold. The Pro models push into premium territory that's for $1,099 for the Pro and $1,199 for the Pro Max. The best part? If you've got an iPhone 13 or newer, Apple's trade-in program could get you up to $700 off or up to $1,100 with selected carriers like Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T. iOS 26 is also landing on Monday, September 15th, promising smoother, smarter performance across the board. Thinner, faster, smarter. Apple's latest lineup isn't just a flex, it's a full-on leap. Are you waiting to pre-order your favorite iPhone from the lineup? Tell us in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.